fire industry, people specialise in one form or other, say sprinklers, water mist, or fire detection and alarm systems. Most buildings have the need for all systems on their premises. Therefore, if you've got one supplier on one skill base, we can then install those systems to operate to the best ability. And Ultra Surefire do this.
I think it takes a long time to develop a new way of doing business.
By combining Surefire and Ultra, a one-stop solution for all the different fire products.
The combination of the two companies and the synergies that brings, being able to offer the total integrated solution. Put all the different products we supply into one solution for the customer, and that includes the service and maintenance.
The different sectors of industry that we operate are very interesting. It's anything from heritage, castles, stately homes, the food industry, data centres which use water mist, a large recycling plant. Hotels have long been known to be the perfect place to put water mist systems. The Americans for some time have been using sprinklers, but these involve heavy duty pumps, large tanks full of water. With water mists we're able to put smaller pipes, smaller pumps, smaller tanks. And also when the system operates, it's only using a fraction of the water. The after damage of a fire is less so.
We have people from a mechanical background who deal with sprinkler systems and water mist systems.
Ian Williams, he's a sprinkler man. He spent 20 odd years working for larger organisations. Marcus Kemp, who's come from the service side of things, so he's trying to develop our business there.
And then we have people with a background of electrical systems, so that's fire alarm, gas suppression.
We have Paul Butt, probably one of the longest serving employees in the company. He's come from a large fire alarm installer.
By combining both, it gives us a unique opportunity.
We have an ex-MD of a company, Gary Kirkwood, who looks after the sprinkler side with Ian, so he project manages the sprinkler side.
One of the things we have here is that all the engineers are directly employed by the company.
So across those personnel, you'd probably be looking at near on circa 100 years of experience across those people.
I mean, I've been in the industry for over 20 years, and so seeing really highly technical engineers with a proven track record, where we can basically send one engineer to site and he can then maintain the electrical part of the system and also carry out the mechanical part of the system as well. So I've been with the company for 14 months and I'm really surprised, actually amazed by the quality of workmanship and expertise we actually have within the company.
There's no almost right. It's a suppression system and it's a detection system. You're talking about people's lives. So it's either right or it isn't.
The life safety aspect is the most important part of the project. The installers are told that they aren't installing pipework systems, they're installing systems to save people's lives.
We've got to walk away knowing that we've put every effort in, we're 100% sure from all the information we've got that that system will work.
The future for Ultra Surefire, I think, is bright.
Surefire's been running for over 30 years, and that's mainly doing one particular type of system product, which is on the gas suppression, whereas Ultra's been running now for 8 to 9 years. And by combining the both, it gives us a unique opportunity to expand our knowledge.
We have core suppliers in place going forward, both on the mechanical side and the electrical side. We need to make sure that we continue to grow steadily over the coming years and not grow too quickly.
The ethics of a company, to me, have to be strong. This will give longevity to the company and the people who work here.
We've got a constant training regime to ensure that actually meets the manufacturer's guidelines or the British Standard guidelines.
We insist on doing quality. We insist on following the standards which exist at the moment. We actually help write the standards so we know we're on the right track and will not reduce our standards to fit in with the price or the expectations of the client, which won't protect people and will not protect the building.